everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to cook bison steak and beef steak and pasta salad. And this is the bulk of bison steak that I bought from market. And I also have half of zucchini, Belgian and Dove, some tomato. And I'm going to use some red onion, lemon, salt, black pepper, mustard, olive oil. Okay, and I also have hot boiling water, and I add some salt, add some oil and pasta, and I'm going to cook the pasta for 7 minutes. After 7 minutes, right now the pasta is ready. Okay, right now I'm going to slice the zucchini. And then I'm going to cut Belgian and Dove inside and also tomatoes. And then add some red onion inside also. Okay, I'm going to use half of lime. Okay, right now I'm going to add some salt, black pepper, some mustard seed, some olive oil, and then squeeze the lime juice inside and mix it. Okay, right now it's time to grill the steak. So I'm going to seasoning some salt and black pepper for both sides. Okay, right now I'm going to add the steak on the grill pan and add some olive oil. Okay, right now while I'm waiting for the grilled steak, I'm going to prepare the pasta and salad on the plate. Okay, right now the steak's done, so I'm going to turn off the heat and transfer to the plate. Okay, right now everything is ready, and this one is bison steak. And this one is beef steak. Okay, and right now I'm going to try the bison steak first. It tastes good, and for the taste it's almost the same like the regular beef. Okay, and then I'm going to try the beef steak also. Okay, right now I would like to vote for the both steak. I like beef steak more than bison steak because the beef steak is more tender. Okay everyone, thank you for watching my recipe. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.